select B and M mode, I'm going to choose BM. It's going to give me the dual screen for BM mode. I can click it again to change how it appears on the screen. To go back to standard B mode, use the arrows and choose just B. That's going to take me back to my standard B mode image. Also in the B and M mode, to change the sweep speed, there's a little ruler up here. You can press and hold and it gets this box. Slide to the left, it will increase your sweep speed. Slide to the right, it will decrease your sweep speed. Over here, you can change where the sweep mark is. Now let's go to color. Go back to 2D. And we'll hit our color. On the left, we have our color gain, pulse repetition frequency, the color frequency, color map, and all of your different parameters. Here, we have smooth and resolution. Smooth will allow for a smooth color flow, where resolution will work for a higher resolution of color flow. Here you can choose your color map, steer angle to change the angle of your color box, color frame average, something we learned before, wall filter. Here we can click to change the box, the size of it, by pinching, click it again to move the box around. We can also choose PW, where we can click and drag where we're going to put the pulse wave box. When we want to activate it, we click this invert or this update button. Click update again, and we're back. Let's go back to the B mode. And let's choose pulse wave Doppler. Here, our parameters have changed again. And again, I'm not trying to get a good image here. I'm going to click here, move my sample gate. And I would click update to get the spectral Doppler. I can adjust the angle. I can adjust the size of the gate. And when I invert, that's going to invert the spectral here. So we'll go back to B mode here. And quick to save a preset. Let's say we had changed some of these parameters and we optimized our image through all the various parameters and we want to save our own. What we do is click Application and click Save. And it's going to say current preset has been saved successfully. If you made a mistake in saving an application, or you don't want a previously saved application, you can always click Application Default. This will restore all of the applications, saved or not, to their default original. And it says restoring default presets, please wait. And it will go back to the factory presets for all of the applications on the system.